A shimmering lake with floating words, truth and lie. Only those who walk on truth can cross the lake. Noor carefully stepping only on words marked truth. Every step must be honest and kind. Zayn almost steps on lie. Noor pulls him back. Sometimes, we need each other to stay true. The lake glows and shows the sorcerer's castle ahead. The path to the sorcerer was revealed. Layla appears, smiling proudly. You are ready for the final test. The sorcerer's castle. A tall dark castle with green glowing windows and storm clouds. Inside that castle, the final battle awaits. Zayn and Noor standing bravely at the castle gates. No more fear, just courage and hope. Inside the castle, dark spells flying as traps appear. The sorcerer had prepared for their arrival. The magician-sorcerer casting red lightning spells. You cannot break my curse. Zayn and Noor glowing with blue light, united in friendship. But kindness is stronger than any curse. Victory and return. The stone statue of the king turning back into a human in golden light. With pure hearts, they broke the curse. The king hugged Zayn and Noor, grateful and proud. You are the true heroes of Fairy Kingdom. Fairies celebrating with sparkles and music. The kingdom rejoiced with songs of joy. Layla opens a glowing portal to send them home. It's time to return, but never forget this journey. Back in the garden, Zayn shows Noor a glowing fairy feather. Was it a dream? Or was it all real? Zayn and Noor peacefully sleeping in their separate rooms at night, a glowing star falling in the background sky. Magical dream realm, Layla the fairy glowing and floating, reaching out with urgency as Zayn and Noor dream. Heroes, we need you once again, the Shadow Queen has returned. Morning light, Zayn and Noor running toward the enchanted garden gate with excitement and concern. Magical tree door opens again, ancient tree trunk glowing with a magical outline. Door opening as Zayn and Noor stand before it. Zayn and Noor stepping into a faded, shadowed version of the fairy kingdom with dull colors. But the kingdom wasn't the same as before. Fairies peeking from behind trees, scared expressions, wings dimmed, colors muted. The fairies were frightened, their glow fading. Layla the fairy floating before Zayn and Noor, face serious, shadowy castle in the background. The Shadow Queen, Shabana, has returned and cast darkness over the kingdom.